A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular airy means parade, okay, of South African jets, helicopter, and troops carry road means making noises, in perfect formation over the Union buildings. So after that pledge and speech, they saw the rows of helicopters and jets. They were flying over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Actually, that was not just a performance, pinpoint performance of jets and helicopters by military. Actually, that was the promise. They were promising to the newly made constitution their loyalty. They were showing their loyalty that they would obey this constitution. Clear? Because that government was elected freely and fairly. Only moments before the highest general of South African Defence Force and Police, their chest bedecked means decorated with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. And on the meantime, the chief of police and army general, they just their chest they were decorated with the medals and ribbons, okay, and they saluted Nelson Mandela and pledged their loyalty to Mandela or the nation. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. But these journals and these official heads, some years back, they weren't saluted Mandela, but they arrested him because that time they were under the rule of British, okay, and that's why they arrested Mandela. Clear? Finally, chevron is a shape of V for van, of Impala jets left a smoke trail of black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. So they made a flag in the sky with the smoke, and the color of the flag include black, red, green, blue, and gold. Okay, and that was the new South African flag. Clear? The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems and the vision of white singing Nkosi Sikel Africa and black singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. So there were two national anthems. Okay, I know these names are quite strange for us. Nkosi Sikel and Africa. Clear? Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once spiced, they would soon know the words by heart because they don't know the lyrics. They have some low opinion about it, but soon they sing this anthem with from their heart. Clear? On the day of inauguration, I was overwhelmed with the sense of history in the first decade of 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth. So he got emotional with the sense of history on that day because in the first decade means first 10 years of 20th century, the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before his birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their difference and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. So there were some white-skinned people in the South African land, and they made a discrimination with their own people who were black. Okay, the structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman society the world has ever known. That structure of government and the structure of society which they made, that was the most, you can say, that was the harshest structure and most inhuman structure, or you can say most inhuman society they made through this discrimination in white and blacks. Now, in the last decade of the 20th century and my own eighth decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized that rights and freedoms of all people regardless of color of their skin. Now, when this is the last decade, as I told you that he pledged on 10th May 1994, and that was the last decade of 20th century. Okay, in the last decade, that system and that society were totally abolished from South Africa when he pledged as the first black president. Okay, so now there is no discrimination with the people. All the people of South African land, they have equal rights. Okay, they have freedom, they all have freedom, and there is no discrimination on the behalf of their skin, or you can say color of skin. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. So for that day, there were a lot of struggles by a lot of people, including Nelson Mandela. He himself, I think, spent 27 years in prison to get this freedom. Okay, and Nelson Mandela said that their sacrifices were unimaginable. We can't even imagine how they sacrificed their lives for this freedom. And that courage, we cannot count that courage, and we cannot repay them. Okay, I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. So he is very humble person. Nelson Mandela was a very humble person. He said that he was just the sum total of those persons who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of South Africa, who gone before me. That's long and novel line ended and now begin again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifice had wrought. So wrought means achieved or done. So actually Nelson Mandela is very sad also, because he is unable to thank those person who helped Nelson Mandela or who sacrificed themselves for the freedom of South Africa. He was unable to thank them, and those persons were also unable to see what their sacrifice had achieved. Means they sacrificed their life, no doubt. For example, Bhagat Singh. In India, Bhagat Singh, he sacrificed his life. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and many freedom fighters, they sacrificed their life for the freedom. But we got freedom after their deaths. Okay, but they were unable to see how we achieved or what they achieved. Okay, because they were dead. Okay, the same situation happened with Mandela, that the person who sacrificed their lives or themselves for the country's freedom, they were unable to see that what they achieved or what their sacrifices had achieved. Clear? So now this is sufficient for this video. Okay, we will continue this lecture in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.